Welcome to our video sessions with exercise 3.1. This is the part 2. Last class we will discuss about up to number 6. Today we discuss about 7 onwards. Okay. Here is the first we do the what number 7. Here is the number 7. Okay. What is the question number 7? Find two prime numbers that add to make. That is the question is what? Find two prime numbers. Find how many prime numbers? Two prime numbers. Okay. That 8 to make. That means what? That 8 to make. That means what's the number? When we 8 to make the number. 8 to make the number 52. That means we write two prime numbers. And that two prime numbers, when we add the two prime numbers, then we got the 52. Okay. Also, next question is what? List all the pair of prime numbers. List all the pair of prime number. That means we can list all the pair of prime numbers. You can prime numbers. You can prime numbers. That means what? You can find to make a sum of 52. That means here if we write a pair of prime numbers, when you add the prime number, the answer is what? 52. So we have the solution. Let the prime number are 5 and what? 47. When you add 5 plus 47 equal to 52. As we got two prime numbers 5 and 47. 5 plus 47 equal to 52. Now other pairs of prime numbers are 29 plus what? 23. See, 29 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number. Also we got 52. Other number is what? 41 plus 11. 41 also prime number, 11 also prime number, and we got the what? 52. Then here is the pair, three pair of prime numbers is there. When we add the two prime numbers, then their sum is we got 52, 52, 52. Clear about this? What is the question means? The question asks about the two prime numbers. When we add the two prime number, then we got the what knowledge? That is what? 52. Clear about this? What is 50? How do we got the answers? Now we will do the next number. The next number is what? 8 numbers. Okay, here we do the 8 numbers. I hope all of you understood. The 7 number. How can we got the solution? Okay. Here we do 8 numbers. What is the question of 8 number? Question of 8 number is what? Write 7 consecutive composite number. Write 7 consecutive composite number okay. Write 7 consecutive composite number less than 100. That means here we write 7 consecutive numbers. That one is what? Less than 100. So that they are no prime numbers. That means what? So that they are what? No prime number between them. No prime number between Okay, that means we write the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than hundreds, that they are no prime number between them. That means when we write how many pairs of consecutive numbers, 7 pair of consecutive numbers, then the 7th pair of consecutive numbers having words no prime numbers between them. Okay, that means no prime number is there. Okay, so what are the consecutive means words? The number which is like 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means that is the consecutive numbers. Clear about it? Then what are the consecutive numbers? Then we can write less than the hundreds. That means 90, 91. We can write that the solution. But 7 consecutive composite number. 7 consecutive composite number are what? 7 consecutive, that means no prime number is there between. That means you think in a 90 to hundreds. Here is the no consecutive, no prime number is there. Only 9. Which one is no? What? 97. 97 is the only what? Prime numbers. That means we can write the numbers from 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. See, here is the between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is the 7 consecutive number, that is continuously 7 consecutive numbers, and see, here is no prime number between them. That means 90 to 96, no prime number is there. That means the 7 consecutive prime composite number are 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, and 96. And 97 is a what? 97 is a prime number. So here is we can write that the 7 consecutive prime numbers are what? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 is the 7 consecutive numbers. That's having laying number. What? The number is not laying between the two numbers. Clear about this? Now we will do the line number. Write the smallest odd composite number. Okay, smallest then odd also composite number. Okay, see here writes 9 numbers. Here is the number 9. Question is what? Write the smallest odd. That means question. Write the smallest odd. That means we can write what? Smallest odd composite number. Smallest odd composite number. That means what is what is that? That is smallest odd composite number. You know that composite number means what? The numbers having factor to the more than 2 factors, then solution. Okay, smallest also and odd also. See, here is the odd composite. That means here is the 4 is the even composites, 6 is the even composites, 7, 8 also even composite. That has the 9. 9. Then answer is what? The smallest odd composite is the smallest odd composite is what? 9. Okay, 9 is the smallest odd composite because 4 is a composite number, that is even number. 6 also a composite number, that is that one also even number. 8 is also a composite number, that one also a what? Even number. 9 is the only what? Odd composite smallest number. So 9 is what? Smallest odd composite number. Clear is understood all of you? Now we will do the 10 number. Express 36 as a sum of 2 odd primes, sum of 2 in primes. See, here is the number 10. Now we will do number 10. What is the question of number 10? Express 36 as. Question is what? Express 36 as. That means we can express 36 as what? Sum of 2 odd primes. As first one is what? It is the two question is there. First question, sum of two, that means sum of two odd primes. Sum of two odd primes. What is sum of two odd primes? Sum of twin primes. Odd prime means what? When we write the two prime numbers, that one is odds. That means 36. That means 29 is a odd prime and 7 is a odd prime. That means here is the sum of two odd primes. So solution here 7 is a odd prime and 29 is a odd prime. So 7 plus 29 equal to 36. 7 plus 29 equal to 36. Here is the, we got the 7 plus 7 and 29 is a odd prime. That one is 36. Clear about it? Which is the odd prime when the sum is 36. Okay. Then here completes x plus 29, 7 equal to 36. Now I do the second bit of the 10 number. Sum of two twin primes. That means when we add the two twin primes, then we got the what? 36. And what is two primes? So here we completed 10 1 and do the second bit. Now we do second bit. 10 number second bits, that means here second bit question is what? Second bit question is sum of twin primes. Sum of twin primes. That means we know that sum of twin primes means what? The numbers differs by 2. That means when we two prime numbers is there and the difference is 2, then that prime number is called twin primes. Okay. Then which is the twin primes? Then we add the what? We got the solution equal to what? 17. That means here the solution. Which primes? When we add the two prime numbers, twin primes, that is 36. Then 36. If we add the time factorizations 17 and 19. The two primes are okay. When we add twin prime, that means twin prime means what? Their difference is 2. That means here the 19 minus 17 equal to 2. That means 19 and 17 are what? Twin primes. Okay. Show the sum of 17 plus 19. Okay. 17 plus 19 equal to 36. Okay. Then hence twin prime is 17, 19. That is the only we know this one. Twin prime means what? Keep in your minds. Twin prime means what? If two prime numbers differs is 2. That means the two prime number is known as what? Twin prime. So here 17 and 19 differs is 2. That means the both is prime number also, and both is called twin primes. Okay, here 17 and 19 is the number that is twin primes. Then we add the numbers, 17 plus 19 equal to 36. We got 36. Clear about it? Now I will do the next number. That one is what? 11 number. Okay. See. Here is the what is the 11? What is the question of 11 number? I have understood the both number. Okay. Now we will do. Okay, 11 number is what? For a number greater than, that means for a number greater than 2 than for a number greater than 10 to be prime, what are the possible digits? What are the possible? Okay, what are the possible? That means you can say that what write the consecutive prime number and let the hundreds so that numbers prime between them. So we can write is what pairs of prime numbers. That means what are the possible digits? What are the possible digits? Okay, that means which is the possible digits at one place. At one. That means plus for a number greater than 10. That means we can take that number what's to be prime. That means take greater numbers of 10. That means more than 10. मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे हम लोग 10 से बड़ा नंबर लेंगे और वो प्राइम होगा. तो उसका यूनिट डिजिट्स में जो होता है वन प्लेसेस में क्या क्या डिजिट्स आने का चांसेस है. तो वन प्लेस में क्या क्या डिजिट्स आने का चांसेस है तो हम लोग देखो क्या वो 1, 13, 17, 19. That means 3 digits is possible. That what are the 3 digits are possible? The 3 digits are 1. That means 30. Then solution. Okay. That is the 30 is a prime number. 17 is a prime number. 19 is a prime number. And 5 is also prime numbers. These all are what prime numbers. Show which is possible. Then unit digit equal to 3 is possible. 7 is possible. 19 is possible, 1 is possible. So solution. Then here you can say that means what the possible digits at one's place are the possible digits at one places are what? There is the 1, there is the 3, there is the 7 and the 9. It means 1, 3, 7 and 9. Okay. When we take more than 10, that means more than 10 prime numbers, then that 4 only 1, 3, 7, 9 is the possibility that we can write easily. Clear about it? Since we completed number 11 numbers, now we will do the next number, that one is 12 number. Okay. Now we will do next numbers. Next that means what? 12 numbers. Okay. That is the number 12. 12 number is what? The number 13 and 31 both are prime numbers. Okay. So these are the form the same 2 digits 1 and 3. Find at least 2 pairs such as number. That means we can find the number. That means there is the form the 2 digits is 1 and 3 such numbers. That means other prime numbers. Then the numbers 13, 31. The numbers 30 and 31. Okay, the numbers 30 and 31 both are prime numbers. Both are prime numbers. That means what's the given 13 and 31 both are prime numbers, we know that. That means what's okay. These are formed by the same. These are formed by the same. That means both unit digits first 1 and 3, 3 and 1 and 3 form same 2 digits. Same 2 digits. That means when 2 digits form what? Some two digits 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Here is also 2 digits are 1 and 3. Here is 2 digits also 1 and 3. Form what? 1 and 3. So find the at least 2 pair of such number. That means question is what? Find find at least, sorry, that is find at least we can find what, at least 2 pairs of such numbers. Question is asked about the words 2 prime number is given when write it 1 and 3, that means the 2 digits, 1 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digits, both are 2 digits and both are prime number. When we write it's 1 digit and 2 digits, then both the number form same. That is what 30 and 31. So we can write also same 2 digits which numbers are 2 prime numbers and that can also form same digits like 1 3 like others. Okay, so we show that we do that 17 is a what, 17 and 71. Okay, 17 and 71 is a what, prime number or not. 17 and 71 the prime numbers. When it's formed 2 digits, then it's 2 digit or what, 1 and 7. C. This is the one pair is what, 17 and 71. 17 and 71. C. 17 and 71. Both the digits is what, 1 and 7, 7 and 1. Here is the both are prime numbers, 1 and 3 and 3 and 1, 13 and 71. Here is the what, 17 and 71. Okay, now we will take another C. 17 and 71 is the numbers that can form what, 2 digits, that one is what, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Such another pair is what, here the first pair, think another pair is, we can find the another pair, that one is what, the other prime pair number is what, that means one is the 37 and opposite of 37 is what, 73. We know that 37 and 73 is also a what, is a prime number, so it's also formed, then its 2 digits form, its 2 digit form 3 and 7. C. Here 17 and 71 is also from 1 and 7, same like 1 and 3, 1 and 7 both, 1 and 7, 7 and 1, 1 and 7 or 7 and 1 both. Okay, here also 37 and 73 are also prime numbers. We know that means it's also forms what, 3 and 7 both the digit was 3 7 3 7. C. 3 7 3 both the digit is same. That means what is that one is what, 3 and 7 is the same numbers. There are what is the same digits. Now here you completed the 12 numbers. I hope you understood how it's formed. Okay, now we will do the 13 numbers. There are what is, okay, so here we know that the numbers forms the same digits, that 2 pairs. Then we can write thus the 2 pair of prime numbers are what, 17 and 71, 17 71 and 37 73, 37 73. These are the 2 pairs of prime numbers that can form one place is a same digit. One place digits is a what, same place. Okay, now we do the next number, that one is 13 numbers. Okay, numbers. Here you solve the words 13 number. 13 number question is what? 13 numbers. Express 31 and 35. Express 31 and 35. 31 and 35. Each is a sum of. Each as a sum of. Okay. Each is a sum of. Express 35. Each is a sum of 3 odd prime number. 3 okay. See, express 31 and 35. Each is a sum of 3 odd prime number. That means when we write what's express 31 and 35, each is a sum of 3 odd prime numbers. We can write the 3 prime numbers that can write the 3 odd prime numbers. When we add the prime numbers, then it should be what 31. But what are that 2 prime odd numbers? Where a prime numbers is what? Then 31. Then here the solution. Solution equal to 31 is there. That means 3 odd prime number. First one prime number is 7, then 11, then 30. Okay. There is the odd also in prime numbers. So 7 after 7 plus 13. So 13. 30. Now we check 7 plus 11 plus 13 equal to what? 3 1 4 4 and 7 11 21 1 1 2 3 31 is there. That means we got the 3 odd prime number is what? The 3 prime odd number is 7, 11 and 13 are the 3 odd primes that we got the what? 31. Next number is what? 35. The next one is what? 35. When we odd, that means what are the 3 odd numbers that we can add? Then we got the 35. Okay. Then what is the odd prime number? Then we got the 35. Here is the what? 31. That means 4 instead. That means 31. That means 13 plus 4 equal to 17. That means 70 is a odd number. 11 is odd number. 7 is also a odd number. Then we can write the 3 odd numbers is what? We can write 5. Also write other 5 plus 13 plus 17. Okay, here we write the 7, 11, 13. Now we can write 31. Now we write 35. Here 35. 35, that means which odd number? First one is what? 5. When we reduce 2, 7 reduce 2 equal to what? 5. Then 11 reduce 2 equal to what? 13. See, 7 reduces to 5. Then when we reduce 2, then also add 2. That means 13. 13 and 5 equal to what? 13 and 5 equal to 18. Then which? That means what? When we add the 4, that one is 17. Then 3 odd prime number is what? 5, 30 and 17 are the odd numbers that can be used is 35. Okay, 35. Okay, then here is the words. Then 3 odd numbers. Then we can write the 3 odd prime are 3 odd prime are 7, 11 and 13. 13 get 31 and 7, 13 and 17 get what? 30. Clear about this? Then what are the 3 odd prime numbers? First one is 7, 11, 13. Last one 5, 13 and 17. Add the 3 odd prime numbers. We got 31 and we got 35. Clear about it? What are the prime numbers? Now we will do the next number. That one is 14 numbers. Okay. What are the 14 numbers? 14 number is what? 15 number, write 5 pairs of odd prime. Write 5 pairs of odd prime. That means write 5 pairs of odd prime number less than odd prime number less than what? Less than, that means write 5 pair of prime number less than 20. Less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 4. That means we write the 5 pair of prime numbers, that one also what? Less than 5 and also divisible by what? 4. So solution. Less than 5, first prime number is what? 2. And second prime 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. So that means 3, first pair is what? 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Okay, according to questions, 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Then here is the first pair. Now second pair, 3 and 5 is the real numbers. Now second pair is what? Second pair is, we can write as what? 5 and 7. Now after the 5 and 7, that means 5 plus 7 equal to 12. That means 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Okay, let's see. According to question words, sum of is divisible by 4. That means here is the pair of prime number 3 and 5. 3 plus 9 equal to 5. 20 divided by 2. Yes. Here is the right here. What? Yes, divisible. Here also. Yes. It should be divisible. Now we will take another prime number, that one also below, and 7 and what's 11. 7 and 11 is not equal to 11, then we did what? 16 needs. Then what is the 16? That means 11 and 5. Also we can write 5 and 11 equal to 5 plus 11 equal to 16. That means 16 divided by 4 equal to 4 is also yes. Okay, after 11, that means we need what? 7 plus 5 is completed, 5 plus 11 is completed. Now what is the words? Below the words 20, that means 11 and 20, sorry. 11 and 13 equal to 11 plus 13 equal to what? 24. That means 24 divisible by 4 equal to 6. Also, yes. Here we write the how many pairs? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. That is asked about how many pairs? 5 pairs. That means we write the words 3 is also 9 number and 17. 3 plus 17 equal to 20. That means 20 divided by 4 equal to 24. Also yes. That means the 5 pair of prime number is what? 3 5, 5 7, 5 11, 11 13, 3 17. These are the 5 number of pairs that can all are divisible by here. Sorry, this is the 25 is answer. Sorry, 24 5 to 20. But you step right 24. Clear about it? Now here is the 16 divided by 4 equal to 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. Clear? Now then I hope all of you understood this exercise properly. We will do the next exercise in our next video session. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.